I'm going to Disney World for just 24 hours and all that I can take with me is a backpack. Come help me pack. Okay, so here's the story. A friend and I wanted to go to Festival of the Arts at Epcot, but we each have families of 4 and we weren't able to pay for all of our families to go, and we weren't able to leave our husbands for a long period of time. So we decided to just go one evening, stay the night, go to the park, and fly home. So that's what we're doing. We're going to be there for less than 24 hours, and there's actually 4 of us that are going. This is our first time ever trying this, so we'll see how it goes. I actually went to Europe last fall with only a carry-on and a backpack, so I have a little bit of experience packing light and some supplies that I already needed, like travel deodorant, a tiny perfume, travel contact solution, that kind of thing. Also, these little bags are really nice because you can see what's inside without taking everything out. I also got my packing cubes out because I figure if I can stuff everything into a cube, it will minimize the space and not allow my clothes to expand at all, so I'm going to use those. I have 3 different sizes of backpacks that I could use, and depending on if everything fits in the big one, I might try to downsize to a smaller one. My smallest one is actually my Disney one, which I would love to take, but I don't know if everything's going to fit in that one, so we'll see what happens. Okay, so I've got my packing cube. Basically, the method is to wear your bulkiest clothes down, which is easy for me because it's cold here. So I'm going to have to wear pants down, and I'll wear my tennis shoes down. I'm only bringing the 1 pair of shoes because we don't have time for swimming at the hotel or anything like that. We are staying at Pop Century. So that will be fun, but we're not going to get really to experience it all. But that's okay. That wasn't the point of our trip. If we could, we would have flown down and back in the same day, but those flights just weren't available for where we're coming from. Okay, I have too much space in this packing cube, which is a good thing, so I'm going to see if I have a smaller one. Alright, I think the shoe one is a little smaller. So I've actually never been to Festival of the Arts. I am from Florida, but I haven't lived there since 2009, and I don't even know how long it's been since I've been to Epcot, a very, very long time. So I'm really, really excited. I am gluten-free and dairy-free, so I'm interested to see what I will be able to eat there. I know they have accommodations, but hopefully it's just not too difficult and too time-consuming. So I've got my clothes for the park day, underwear, and pajamas. Like I said, I'm going to be wearing jeans and probably a long sleeve shirt down, and I'll probably change into my jeans to get on the flight back, but stay with the same shirt, something like that. I don't even know if I'm going to wear the shirt. I packed a plain white shirt because I'm just a white t-shirt girl. But I don't know. That might change. Alright, I've also got my toiletries, contact solution, a hairbrush, toothbrush, toothpaste, medication, face wash, and even this thing is not full. And then same thing with the makeup. I might... I wonder if these would all fit in one. I'm gonna try. Another tip for packing light is to find smaller makeup items as well. So like for my setting powder, I put some in a little travel case. I also switched out a bunch of my like bronzer and blush for tiny ones that I got with Ipsy. It just takes up so much space to try to bring the full size of everything, so see if you can downsize. So rather than just throwing everything in there, I am going to try to stand it all up so that if I need anything, I can just pull it right out. So what I did is stand everything up so that I can just pull it right out. If everything was laying flat, I would have to dig through stuff to get to the bottom. And I put all of my makeup and my like toothbrush and face wash and stuff in here. So again, I know that it seems really impossible to travel like this, but if you get a whole bunch of mini stuff, be okay with changing brands, like whatever they have in a travel size, get that. It's totally possible. Alright, so I've got my driver's license, my AirPods, my Magic Band. I'm also bringing my portable battery for the park because who can live without a portable battery? My phone dies by like noon at least. I'm bringing my full-size curling iron because I tried a smaller one for Europe and it was just terrible. So this one I feel like is at least skinny enough that it's fine. My GoPro, I don't even need this bag, which is exciting. And my ears, which I was afraid were not going to make the cut because they're kind of big and like awkwardly shaped. But I definitely think they're going to fit. Okay, speaking of the Magic Band, I don't know if you did this, but I definitely did. I was somebody that bought a new Magic Band every 2 years because I knew that the batteries were only supposed to last for 2 years. But I just found out that you can still use it after the battery dies, which is crazy to me because I've spent so much money on these. But this is what I found on the Plan Disney website. Even if the long-range battery is no longer working, which means like if you're on a ride, it won't necessarily capture or link your photos to your band, which is fine because I'm not buying the photo package. The Magic Band should still work at Mickey to Mickey touch points, which is like theme park entrances, lightning lanes, merchandise, unlocking your Disney resort room, or linking PhotoPass photos, which means like you actually have to go to the touch point and touch this. It would link it then, but not like long range. So yeah, I'm pretty sure I can still use this to get into the park. If not, I still have my ticket on Magic Mobile, but I'm definitely going to try this out and see if I can just use this forever and stop buying these things. All right, I feel good about this, so I'm starting with the smallest backpack that I have, which is the Disney themed one, which is the one that I really want to bring. So I'm going to try to stuff everything possible into this packing cube. Okay, this might sound stupid because I know it's only 24 hours, but I definitely thought this was going to be like the tightest squeeze, trying to fit everything into a backpack, and this is the smallest one that I have. Like, am I forgetting something? This is what it looks like on the inside. So like, I have room at the top still. I mean, I have lots of extra room on the inside if I needed to. I don't have anything in the cup holders. All that I have in this front pocket, oh, I have a Band-Aid, is my GoPro and my wallet. There you go. So that's everything I'm packing for 24 hours at Disney. I hope that you like this video. Stay tuned for my Epcot vlog. Again, it's the first time I've been to Epcot in probably 10, 15 years, which is terrible. I hate that, but I'm so excited for it. So make sure that you subscribe and watch that video, and I'll see you next time. Bye.